Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find the old Snapchat filters. Okay, so if you want to know how I did that, just keep on watching. So first, open your Snapchat app, and as you can see here on the right side of the capture button, you can see a smiley face. You want to click on that, and then just, for example, you want this filter. Then as you can see here on the upper left corner of your screen, there's a information icon. So if you want to click on that, and then go to view profile, and then here you will see all of the past or your filters that you are using on the past. So that's how you do it, and I hope this helps, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.